Good morning, student. I am Jagat Jyoti Puntia, your lecturer in Civil Engineering Department. Your chapter is Urban Construction Techniques and Equipment. In this chapter, so what are the techniques we use for construct a building, for construct any type of structure? What are the different types of advanced technique we can use? That chapter consists. First is fiber and plastic. What is fiber? Then types of fiber, types of plastics. In this chapter or subject consist these topics. Then fibers and plastics. Fibers and plastic. The presence of micro crack at mortar aggregate interface is responsible for the inherent weakness of plain concrete. When you construct a concrete or mortar, there is a void available in this mortar. To avoid these types of void, we can use fiber. In what is concrete? Concrete means the summation of the combination of fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, and binding materials and suitable amount of water is called concrete. In these materials, there is a void between two particles. To omit these types of void, we can use fibers, we can use plastic. Like this, in case of mortar also, to remove the void, we can also use fibers and plastics. Then the types of fibers. There are different types of fibers available in market. One is steel fiber. Steel fiber, the use of steel fiber in concrete can improve its many properties. The benefits using steel fibers in concrete are as follows. Whenever we use fiber in concrete, it increases the properties of concrete. What are properties are less in concrete? When we after using the fiber, the properties are developed in concrete. These properties are: the steel fiber are generally distributed throughout a given cross section, where reinforcing bar of wires are placed only where required. One point is where the reinforcement is required, only that position we place the steel. But any other area in concrete, we can use the fiber to contact with the particles of concrete. Then steel fiber are relatively short and close spaced of compared with continuous reinforcing bar. Next, it is generally not possible to achieve the same area of reinforcement to area of concrete using steel fiber as compared to using network of reinforcing bar. Main motto of using fibers in concrete to increase the strength, to increase the durability, to increase the lifespan of concrete. Then next type is carbon fiber. Carbon fiber are new breed of high strength material and it's lightweight fiber used in advanced composite. When we use carbon, it gains high strength, it gives high strength, and also it is light, so that it can be replaced from one place to another place easily, and it will be installed easily. And it also gives more strength, more durability, more surface, plain surface it gives. And another thing is glass fiber. A glass fiber reinforced plastic similar to carbon fiber. This glass fibers is also similar to carbon fibers, but much lower strength and stiffness, but also much lower cost. Glass fiber is also similar to carbon fiber, but what is the difference? But in case of glass fiber, it gives lower strength, and but also much lower cost, and cost is very low. Then the advantages of glass fiber, it has been tested in the laboratory and also in the actual installation, and can be anticipated surveys as long as precast concrete. It is used in it is tested in laboratory, then after testing it will be available in market. In this case, Then uses of fiber as a construction material improve the fees, that the resistance, improve the impact resistance and abrasion. By using the fiber, it is impact resistance. Impact load means when we load suddenly, when we give sudden load, it will be resist by using glass fiber. Then next, reduce steel reinforcement required. स्टील रेनफोर्स का जितना ज़रूरत है उसका ज़रूरत को रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं ये जो ग्लास फाइबर है. इम्प्रूव ड्यूरेबिलिटी, सॉरी इम्प्रूव डक्टिलिटी. डक्टिलिटी मीन्स डक्टिलिटी इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ स्टील बिफोर ब्रेक. Any structure before break, it gives some information. That properties is called ductility properties. These are the properties of fiber. First is the mechanical properties of the fiber, dominated by the contribution of the fiber to the composite. The four main factors to govern the fiber contribution are the basic mechanical properties of the fiber, the surface interaction of the fiber and the resistance, the amount of fiber in the composite. These are the properties of fibers. Then types of, like this types of plastic, there are various types of plastic. PVC, polyvinyl chloride, or RPVC, rigid polyvinyl chloride. It is the most important polymer for the construction section or a building construction. It is used in drinking water and water pipe where it is used. It is also used in drinking water and water pipe floor wall covering. In this area it will be used. Then FRP or GRP. FRP मतलब fiber reinforced plastic, और GRP मतलब glass reinforced plastic. The fiber glass reinforced plastic or FRP is formed by using two materials in conjunction with each other. Two material को conjunction करके हम बना सकते हैं of to form a composite material of all together different properties. Next is HDPE, high density polyvinyl chloride. High density polyvinyl chloride is a polythene thermoplastic made from petroleum. It is made from petroleum. Then these are the advantages. Okay, thank you.